guys, and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, hello and welcome. My name is Megan and it's lovely to have you guys here. Today's video is going to be a vitae apparel try on haul. I'm super excited. I got a few new sets and then I have some older sets that I just wanted to show because they recently did a restock on their website. And to start off, I just want to start off with my measurements, so I'm going to pop them somewhere on the screen. And as far as sizing, I kind of got different sizing depending on when I got the item. So down in the description below, I'm going to put the size I got in each item as well as the link to each item so that it's very clear and easy to navigate what size I'm wearing. Without further ado, I think we should just hop right into the video so we can get to the good stuff, the stuff you guys came here for, which is the try on haul. So first and foremost, the Recharge collection has officially restocked and I have a full video dedicated to this, okay? I have a whole 10-minute video dedicated to all the different colors that I have in this. I'm just going to be showing one today and it's going to be the bright yellow because I feel like it really fits the vibes right now. It's gorgeous outside, it's becoming springtime, and the colors of the Recharge collection I think are perfect for the spring. It's the gorgeous bright pastels that honestly are just so cute and they're so fun to mix and match. And I really like that this is a seamless collection. It's very comfortable, it's very stretchy, molds to your body, but it still has a good amount of thickness to it. So I feel very good using this for not only working out, but also I feel like this would make a super cute matching set. Throw on a quick oversized shirt over top and be on your way. And there's just so many ways that you can style these pieces outside of the gym as well. These are the Recharge shorts and this is the Recharge sports bra, and both of these are in the color lemon yellow. I'm going to start off by going over the sports bra. Here it is. She's stunning. I wear these bras very often. They're so stretchy. Like, look how stretchy the straps are. So they don't have adjustable straps, but since they're so stretchy, I find that it molds to my body perfectly, but it's not too much so I don't feel like I'm spilling out or anything like that. I think I have this in a size medium. I could have definitely gotten a size small, but the sizing up to a medium fits perfectly fine as well. But as I said, it's just this really nice seamless material and it has just this nice stitching all around. I like that with this collection, it's kept very simple, it's very to the point, yet still very cute and very comfortable. We have a little bit of a contour going on here, which I think is very flattering. And then down here in this bottom band, it just says vitae, and this is stitched within the stitching, so it's not going to peel off or anything, which I think is great. As far as this bottom band, it is very nice. It's super stretchy, but then it kind of compresses to where you want it to be, so that's perfect for my girlies who are using this for the gym. And I think the back features are my favorite part. I think that the back of this being so open and wide is just amazing. I love to wear this on a back day. And something that I found super cool that you can do is these straps actually move along the back straps. So what you can do is you can make it so it's like a square back, or if you wanted, you could make it more of like a triangle back. I'm doing this in real time, but you can make it more of like a triangle back, so you can kind of adjust how these straps are, which I think is also helpful if for some reason it's a little bit big or small. You can adjust that to make it to your liking and to your comfort. I just think that's a fun little unique detail. And then last but not least, it does come with removable bra pads. I prefer to keep mine in and the quality of these are very, very good. Overall, the bra is amazing. It's very simple, it's very to the point, and I love that they have a seamless collection option because that's my favorite for the gym. And now here are the matching shorts. I really like the length of these shorts because I wouldn't call them a short, but I wouldn't call them a biker or cycling short, and they're that perfect middle length that I feel like most girls want because it's very easy to manipulate these and make them shorter, but it's also nice that you can wear them at a longer length as well. It just has the small logoing here that says vitae, and then a small little contour detail here in the front as well as a small contour detail in the back, along with the vitae apparel logo here in the back. And then as far as the waistband, it's super nice. I feel like it sucks you in at the perfect amount, so it's not too compressive. And like I said, there's like small contouring on these. It's harder to tell off the body, but you'll be able to tell when I put it on. There's some smaller contouring lines right here in the front, as well as a little under booty contouring here in the bottom. And then as far as the bottom band here, you can stretch it so much. It's super stretchy, so it doesn't dig into the quad, which is really nice that they have no deep seam in it because as someone with larger quads, things tend to dig in, but with these I don't have any issue with that. And I honestly love wearing the shorts option, especially for a leg day or just for a warm day outside. And yeah, that's basically it as far as the shorts. Like I said, I like that the seamless collection is super spring. I just feel like it looks super good in the warmer weather and it really has all those pastels. So definitely check out my other video if you guys have any more questions about this collection. I have a full in-depth review of it, so that's why I'm kind of going quickly through it. And as far as see-throughness / squat proofness, personally on me it's fine because I wear a nude thong and I also am okay with a little bit of sheerness, but depending on your skin tone, it's obviously going to change how squat proof it is. But as you guys can see, I'm like pushing my hand through it right here in the natural lighting and you can't really see it that much. So I would say it's not going to be 100% sheer, but with anything like a light color, it won't be 100% squat proof either. So just keep that in mind if that's something that you're looking for. Next up, I'm going to be going over the ultra light collection. I actually have it in two colors. I have it in this chai color as well as this peacock green. I'm going to start off with the peacock green. I absolutely love this. This is the most beautiful set ever. It's so, I hate saying buttery soft, but like I don't know how else to describe it. It's so smooth. It's like that brushed, very comfortable material, super stretchy, but still has a good amount of compression. Like I would say it's still pretty compressive to the body. So starting off with the leggings here, the first thing that I really like about them is that there's no front seam here, and then here we have a nice high waist. I would say these are very high-waisted. Like as you guys can see in the back, I feel like a normal legging usually ends around where my finger is, but this gives another half an inch to an inch. In this waistband here, we actually have a little hidden pocket that honestly goes pretty deep. Like it goes all the way in this waistband here, so you can put a bunch of stuff inside. And then they're pretty much just a standard legging. I really like these because they're that buttery or soft material, so you can wear these not only for the gym, but also just out and about running errands as a matching set. I just think it's super cute. Everything that I'm showing today can easily be worn outside of the gym, in the gym, or a combination if you like to go to the gym before or after doing other things. As far as the legging itself, it has a lot of stretch like I said, but also a lot of compression. Like it definitely fights back when I'm pulling at it, which I think is great because then it molds to your body and it doesn't fall down. I actually wore this for a full workout and it didn't fail me. It was very comfortable. If I can wear something to deadlift, then it's 100% approved, because I feel like that's the one exercise where I don't need to be messing with my clothes. I want them to just fit me well and I don't need to worry about them, and I can say deadlift approved. And then next up for the sports bra, I'm a huge fan of this. It's so pretty. The reason that I actually wore this for my back day was because of the back of this bra. Let's take a moment. She's stunning. So it just has this crisscross back detailing, and I like that the straps kind of crisscross under here as well. When you have something like a very basic solid color matching set, I like little details like this that make it a lot cuter without doing too much. So this crisscross back is a very pretty detail, very complimentary on the back, I must say. I would say this is true to size. I got a size small and it fits me great. And in this one there are removable bra cups, as well as in the middle here there's actually a divider in the bra so that the cups don't intertwine when you're washing them, which I think is a great touch. Something that I really value as someone who does their laundry all the time and wears gym wear every single day. It's so annoying to fight with all the bra cups and all the bras every week, so this helped me out a lot. Like I said, a very basic sports bra and some very basic leggings, which I really like. Basic and to the point is what we search for, and I think that when you can find things that are super comfortable and staples, you just might as well grab them. Okay, so then I also have the ultralight collection in the color chai. I posted an Instagram post in this a while back. I'll pop it on the screen. I love styling it with a flannel. I thought it was so pretty. I wear this quite a bit. I don't know where the bra is. I actually think it's at home, but I wanted the show to go on. I wanted to get this video up and loaded, but with that bra, it's going to be the exact same specs as the bra that I just showed you, just in the chai color. So if you have any questions about the fit and everything like that, it's going to be the exact same as the bra that I just showed. And then as for the leggings, same thing. They're going to be the same fit and everything. They're the same exact material, just another color, and I love this color. Neutrals have been like my jam, especially on a day where I just want to go get things done, but I still want to look cute. I feel like neutrals are very nice and they honestly match every single flannel I own. But again, it's just this nice, beautiful light brown shade, almost like a taupe color, and that same super stretchy material. Very comfortable all around, and I don't have issues with these sliding down or anything personally. I would say if you're between sizes, you could size up, but yeah, they're super comfortable and I really like them, and I definitely recommend. I love the seamless for working out, and I think these would be my favorite for going out and doing things. I just think it's super cute and put together without having to put too much thought into your outfit. And lastly, I'm going to be going over the Ultra Flex collection, and I have it in two colors. I have it in this beautiful mauve color as well as black. The black is a staple. I wore this for a full day of school and classes and then working out. It did the job. And then the mauve I have yet to wear out and about yet, but I'm really excited to wear it. I'm going to start off with the black color first because like I said, I had worn it already. Beginning with the leggings, these are super nice and sleek. They're very similar to the leggings that I just showed. I'd say the key difference is actually just that these have a front seam here, and typically I don't like that. I will be honest, I don't love front seams, but I was okay with it, especially in the black color because I feel like it's just not noticeable at all. I'm not really sure how it will look in the mauve color, but I had no issue with it in the black color. And I know there's a ton of people who have no issue with front seams at all, so if that's you, then I think these are a great option. But if you prefer a no front seam situation, I would go with the ones that I showed previously. But yeah, the specs on these are very similar to the specs on the other one, but I'd say the fit of these, there's a lot more stretch to the fabric. I think that's a really big difference. So with these, I sized up to a medium, and I feel like I could have sized down to a small to avoid them falling down as much on my hips and everything. So I would say if you're between sizes sizes or you're not sure if you should size up, in these I would actually advise possibly sizing down or staying true to size, wearing them throughout the day, because I wore them for a full day of class, out and about, walking back and around, so it kind of stretched them out a little bit. So I would say these, if you plan to wear them in that purpose, then I would definitely maybe size down. They're super stretchy, like I said, almost like a second skin, very comfortable to put on, very lightweight, which I think is great for this upcoming springtime. And as far as the logos, there's just one in this upper quad region as well as the V in the back, but otherwise no big branding or anything. And I love a good black matching set. I'm a big fan of vitae sports bras. Like, they know what they're doing. It's very to the point, very sleek, and I could wear this bra with so many different outfits. Every pair of colored sweatpants I have, like, it's just very versatile, which I really, really like. So here she is. She's stunning. So let me show you the back first off. I love this detailing here. It's almost like some small little bungee cords going on, and they're super duper stretchy, but the way that they cross over and complement your back is finger snaps. A1. I absolutely love it. And then here in the front, it kind of has like a scoop neck detailing, so I think it's very flattering on the chest without being too much. And then the same thing on the inside, it has this shelf bra detailing, so you could take out the pads if you wanted to, and it has the line in between so the cups won't intertwine in the washing machine. Honestly, this is very similar in silhouette and design to the sports bra I showed earlier. I'd say the key difference is that the back is a little bit different and the cut is a little bit different. This back I love as well. I would definitely wear this for a back day. I just think it's super flattering and super comfy. And I also just love wearing these kinds of like longer line bras with things like sweatpants and stuff, especially in the summertime. Last but not least, I wanted to show you that same exact set in this mauve color. It's screaming spring to me. I just absolutely love these kind of pastel colors, very muted purples. I just think it's gorgeous. So like I said, it's that same super stretchy material, a lot more stretchy, and it's like that second skin, soft. It just feels amazing to the touch. I like how thin these are. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's super thin material. It'll come on really easily onto your skin and feel very comfortable, which is great, especially in the spring / summertime. We don't want as thick of leggings during that time, so I definitely recommend. Like I said, the only thing that I don't love that I wish was removed was the front seam, and I find that these are super flattering all around on the quads, on the glutes, everywhere. So I definitely recommend getting these as a staple pair of leggings that you can easily layer, put on big t-shirts, hoodies, etc. So this is the same sports bra, just in the mauve color. Again, I love this back cross detailing. I think it's so cute and flattering, and it just really accentuates the back. I know girls now, we love a crisscross back. We love an open back. We love anything accentuating our back because we're growing up. And so I think that this is a super cute way to showcase it, to give a little spice. And I just feel very comfortable and supported in these kind of bras. I feel like there's something that I know I can throw on very fast and be confident in it and not have to tamper with it. I would say when it comes to shopping the vitae site, those would all be sets that I highly recommend. If I had to pick one favorite, I definitely say the recharge sets would be my favorite for lifting and working out, especially the shorts and sports bra combo for the summertime and the springtime. I think is such a moment. So if these are still in stock, definitely get your hands on them because I love them. And then I would say that this peacock green color is my favorite, and I prefer the ultra light leggings in comparison to the ultra flex leggings just because of the front seam detailing. That is going to conclude the try on haul of these specific items, but I do have a few other items from vitae, a lot of other colorways as I mentioned before. So if you guys have any questions on those, feel free to look back at any of my other vitae videos or just shoot me a DM and I'd be happy to answer you guys with any questions about sizing or colors, or if you just want to talk to me about your order, I would love to talk about it. With spring approaching, I definitely think that these are all some great outfits and pieces that, like I said, are functional both in the gym and out, because I feel like in the summer we're doing a lot of things. Like, I know me, I'm going from class and I'm going straight to the gym, and then after the gym my friend's gonna go on a picnic, and the fit will be fitted for each of those events. I appreciate you guys watching, and as always, if you guys have questions, just DM me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!